Go.
Hello guys, we're here in Hotel 81.
In which country?
Singapore.
Then where is Daddy?
Sleeping.
Sleeping? What's sleeping?
Sleeping.
Okay. Show Daddy. Daddy is
Sleeping.
Sleeping. And where are we going? Where are we going? Where do you want to go today?
Sleeping.
Sleeping.
Playang. I
Huh?
want to go Playang.
Flying. Ito nga pala yung sa bintana namin, guys. Ito yung sa labas. Ito yung nasa labas ng hotel namin. Nandito kami sa Gilang. Let's open the window. Ayan guys, ha. This is our room in Hotel 81 Palace. May toilet doon.